Where we at?
Huh? You want to call the chick back?
We at HTFU Garage. Alright? The only fucking garage you should come to. We over here, Apache down. The block's out. I'm working on the block right now. Alright guys, so for this next part I'm going to go ahead and do a voiceover. I'm sorry for the lack of video that I have. I was actually on a vacation to New York. If you would like to see vlogs about that, that will be posted to Yosh God's personal account. But you can see here that we actually got brand new bearings. The rods and the pistons are next. You can see that they are new used pistons and rods from a B20Z. There was also a new tensioner and a new oil pump. After that, we started assembling everything, the head, getting it timed to where we could actually drop it into the motor. We started working on the flywheel and the clutch, the pressure plate. We just resurfaced that, and we also got a new clutch. And what's after that was assembled. Now everything is being put back together and assembled. The block is now in with the tranny. We're started working on the AC and power steering to have everything accomplished and ready for me to pick up.
Oh man. Now I still have to put a battery there?
Hell yeah, that's lit. I gotta put these on there. Official. I forgot my own car.
Wow, look at you.
Sheesh. God damn. Boy, this is lit.
Can't even tell the car's on.
Literally, bro.
I know it sounds hella better.
Been like 6 months since this shit's been up.
Like on the road.
Yeah. Oh, they actually got that to connect?
What?
The map?
Yeah.
That's crazy. It's a crazy feeling. Hey, you got that little thing?
Everything detailed properly right now.
Good shit, bro. Oh yeah. Nice ass wiring too.
Mars is back.
Alright, boy. Fuck out. Be on, man. Good shit.
The only thing we're gonna have to do is your idler control valve. Your TPS.
It's loose?
It's not loose. The bottom bolt is missing, so one of these days just come through.
Alright.
The idle is a little bit high right now, so once we redo that and readjust it, it'll drop down also.
Man.
But it's just smooth. No issues, no problem. Take a first spin.
Hey, man. For sure, for sure. What oil did we put? So I can have it.
Right now I put some zinc in there on top of the 530, so
Okay,
I gotta do
530?
530. I'm gonna have to do the oil change probably within another like half a minute. First oil change for the spring. Yeah. All the trash and dirt in there, it's all gonna come out.
You wanna come with?
No, it's okay.
lessons again.
For real, man. This thing brings back memories, bro. It's like, fuck, man. I was screaming while I was like driving this shit.
Really?